Hi everyone, Martin here from martinsmayhem.blogspot.com. I hope you are well. So today's card is going to be a slight upgrade on the previous card, which is here. I'm sure you'll remember it. Super quick and easy. However, I've upgraded it a little by adding mint macaron card base. I've added several layers, including the botanical butterfly DSP in the background, as well as incorporated the punch, just to punch these out, and some embossing and some ribbon. So I'm going to be showing you how you could upgrade this card in effect to something quite like this. Let's move the stamp set out of the way and then put that up there. So as I said, we have a mint macaron card base, and that measures 7.6 by 14.8. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to do some mattering. So I've got the DSP, which is available in the Celebration catalogue. Super pretty. And as you can see, you've got this side, which coordinates perfectly with the punch, so you can punch them out. But I'm going to be using the stripe side, so I'm just going to lay that down on my card base like so. There you have it. So at the end I am going to just trim off the bottom just so it is all level. And then I've got a mint macaron strip as well as another piece of Whisper White. That's just going to be all lined up. So and then again mat that onto there. Right, so you have a lot of layers going on, but it would be perfect. So while we're here, I'm just going to trim it down now so it's all level. So bringing in my trimmer. I don't know how best to do this so you can see. I'm just going to line that up. So I'll just cut. So and just, as it hasn't cut through because there's so many layers, I'm going to finish that off with some scissors, and actually the bottom fits perfectly too. Looks 10 times better. See, none of my cards are always perfect, but hey ho. So from there, what we're going to do is we're going to do the butterflies. I've already done 2 of the smaller ones just for time, and we're going to be doing the larger one now. So I'm using the shadow layers as I did on this card in mint macaron again. So bringing in my ink, I'm going to start with the base, the wings, the top wings. There's 4 wings, Martin. Stamp off and then stamp on, like so. And then I'm going to bring in the bottom half. Ink up, off, and then just line it up. So that is slightly wonky, but hey ho. And then I can bring in my punch, which is available in a bundle with that set, and I can just slide that in, line it up like so, and punch. Now you could always use your Stamparatus, which I would highly recommend. However, as I'm making several videos, I just did not have time to set it up and get that ready. But if you have more time, go ahead and do it. I highly recommend it. So I'm bringing in the base and Memento ink, and I'm just going the body even, not the base. Just stamp that down like so. Put that to one side because we'll be using it again later. So from now, I'm just going to manipulate the wings slightly. Just give it a slight curve with my fingers. You can always use a bone folder if needs be. And you're just going to pop that just slightly higher than the middle of the card. And I'm just going to put a little blob of adhesive into the middle, like so. Slightly higher than the middle, so roughly there. And then the same again with these little ones. Like so. Little double glue. That's just going to sit slightly higher. Not too high because of the ribbon. In the middle. And again with this one. Just going to move that down slightly. Straighten it up. Like so. That looks straight. And all I'm going to do now is with the Memento ink is I'm going to finish off the butterflies with their little antennae. Like so. And then teeny tiny ones for the bitty butterflies. Like so. So with the sentiments, I have already pre-embossed the Hello Beautiful, which again we used here. So I just stepped it up by heat embossing it onto some basic black cardstock, and I'm just going to trim it down slightly, and then just fishtail the ends. Pop these onto dimensionals, which I have misplaced. It's okay, got some. So just put a dimensional either side. Pop that just under the butterflies, like so. And then we just need to finish it off with some beautiful ribbon, and that's I don't know which one's English, the flax ribbon, and it's this beautiful, it's like intertwined. Do you see that? It's actually coming up really well. It's super pretty, and it's also available in the suite with the stamp set as well as the punch. So it's all on page, I think it's 34, but don't hold me to that. So just pull it over. You'll find that one will want to take preference over the other side, so just go with it. That way you have a nice knot in the middle, like so. And I'm just going to quickly trim this. Clearly I'm using my card scissors and not my ribbon scissors, but hey ho. And there you go, that's complete. I hope you enjoyed today's card. Why not pop into the description bar below where you can see a full list of the items used as well as where to purchase them at my online store. While you're there, like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and why not share to all your social media so everybody can see how quick and easy it is to make such a pretty card. I will see you around. Bye guys.